check this out, guys. Tonight we're in Carvoeiro. Just had a fantastic meal at the Taste Restaurant, and I just thought, let's come check it out at night time, see what it's like. Come and join me, guys. So I'm in the main square, right next to the beach. They've got a stage set up with the DJs on. There's plenty of people in all the restaurants. Let's take a walk around, guys. I have to speak up a little bit in case of copyright restrictions. There's a cracking restaurant here, Xamor, with the Carvoeiro sign. All the restaurants in the area, or in the square, compete with each other. It's around about €16 for dish of the day. Got the Donna Maria Italian restaurant there. We got the O Barco Restaurant. Just take a walk up the hill before we go down the back streets. Didn't expect it to be this busy this time of year. So that's the Italian restaurant. We are approaching, I think it's about 10 o'clock now. There's another restaurant up here which I'll just try and catch. Oh, we've got the Tapas, the Vila wine bar. Plenty of people in there. Souvenir shops, and here's another little restaurant. Looks really nice, this one. I'm not too sure what it's called. I remember I came last time and I couldn't pronounce it. Kulnarium, spicy smoked beef with brisket, potato gratin, sounds really nice. Quite a few people on the terrace there. There's a view of the stage and the square. Great vibe here, guys. Let's take a walk down the back streets. Just passing where the tourist train normally is, but it's off on its route wherever it goes. A nice restaurant up there, lovely terrace. And we've got Smiler's Bar. I will do the same route that I took you last time when I did it in the day. But yeah, really great place this, guys. Not too crazy. Okay, but enough for going on for families to enjoy. And this time of year, September, absolutely fantastic. So we've got the ice cream shop that's been up there for 20 years. There's a big queue for that. Snack bar there. At the supermarket. There's a few more restaurants down here. We've got the Boashi restaurant, a la carte vegan, and sushi bar. Now the restaurant we've just been to, the Taste, is about 400 meters straight up the hill. If you are in the area, highly recommend checking it out, guys. What we've got here, Oasis. Oh, it's American. Entrecôte steak, $14.50, spare ribs, American style. Beef Portuguese style, beef Portuguese steak style, $19.95. Cocktails, gin and sangria, see what I like that. Oh, we've got a little pork shop there, is it? No, I thought it's called Port, I thought it was a pork shop, it's not. So we've got another little, well, not small, cafeteria with the big screens. The tennis is on at the moment. Very, very busy. Got the Força Portuguese sports shop, selling all your memorabilia, CR7 shirts. We'll go around the back of these to the back side. They have two entrances, the places that I've just shown you. on this street here. Dusmar Cafe, that's just closing up that. A little bit quieter this street. There's a cracking little restaurant here. I think it's closing up now, but this is on our to-do list. Et Shia, artisan cuisine. Got great reviews, still a few people in actually. It's a lovely restaurant that. This leads back down to the square. Got the King Palace Indian restaurant, but I'm going to show you a cracking Indian restaurant just up the hill with absolute stunning views over Carvoeiro beach. Wow, it's a nice motorbike there. Might have to speak up a bit out here, guys, as the music is playing from the stage. We've got an Irish bar, can't remember the name of it, Sully's. Now if you go up here, some cracking little gems up here. So if you go to the right of the square up this hill, there's a couple of nice restaurants, and you see the rooftop terrace of the bar in the square. You get to see it up here. There is one that's got an entrance up here. I've just been and seen it. Nearly went over then. Here we go, levels this one. Let's see where that leads to. Oh, just a small terrace. And then here, O Barco is a restaurant down at the square, but there must be sea view terrace with cocktails, fresh food and good music. Let's have a quick look. Wow, this is quite unique. Look at the views from this place, guys. You got the beach there, and then you got the stage rocking in the background there. So O Barco's cocktail bar. Come and check it out, guys. You okay, mate? Oh, it's a little hidden gem, isn't it? Opposite, the Atlantic View. Atlantic View cocktail bar. Then we've got a lovely little restaurant. Don Carvoeiro. That looks very nice. But check this next restaurant out, guys. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this is it. This is an Indian restaurant. It's called Pani Restaurant. It's got panoramic views from the roof terrace up there, overlooking that beautiful beach. I have done a bit of research on the food in that Indian restaurant. It's absolutely amazing. I'll drop back down to the square and I'll go up another street. Right, so soup could be anywhere. It'll either be in this bar here or in one of those shops here. And I've got to apologise, guys. My camera's just gone, my microphone's just gone. So I've just switched phones, and there's Sue in the background there. I'll just show you up this street. You okay, girls? Yeah? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Spain. Spain.
Spain. Whereabouts in Spain?
Galicia. Spain is the best. It's best. Compostela.
Where do you prefer, Spain or Portugal?
Life. Or
Pardon?
is it live?
Are you
No,
live?
not live, no, it's Friday. Friday, next Friday, yeah?
What is your name?
Algarve love, 1 minute. Sue, give these girls a card. That's my wife there, yeah? So they're from Spain, Galicia. It doesn't look as crystal clear on this phone. I thought I'd just try and get the end of it in. So, if you like our videos, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.